So hi, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all of you. In this video, I want to give you complete details about CMA final regular batch for December 2026 examinations. Yes, after completion of June 2026 examinations, many students are asking many doubts related to this batch. So common doubts, so number of hours, so what are the books we are going to deliver and the faculty details. These are all the things many students are asking. In this video, I will give you complete details about the CMA final regular batch for December 2026 exams. So the most number of the students are asking this doubt. Sir, we want to join in this batch in a face-to-face manner for both groups. Is it possible? Our answer is no. Because for this attempt regular batch, we are already completed in face-to-face manner for group 3. The face-to-face batch for group 3 already done. Whatever the class we are delivered in the face-to-face mode, that are clearly we recorded in a high quality way, audio as well as video, and that only now we are selling these classes in our website. You can purchase only recorded sessions for the CMA final regular batch for December 2026 group 3. So then what about group 4, sir? The group 4 regular batch for this attempt, December 26, we are going to start from the 29th of this month. So today is 26th. Within next 3 days, we are going to start this batch. So when we are going to complete the syllabus, approximately plus or minus 1 week. So always plus only, not minus. Yes, that is on August ending. Totally the 2 months duration, we are going to take this batch. Sir, how to attend for this batch? You can come for face-to-face, or you can opt for the live streaming along with 100% recording backup. Next, you can attend this batch with the recorded sessions also. So now I will give you the further details related to the group 4. Yes, CMAD will be covered by the Grover sir, and CFR E. Srinivas sir, and IDT Sivateja sir, and SPMBV Maninder Singh sir. So these are the approximate number of hours we are going to take. Sir, how you given this approximate number of hours, sir? Based on the last 2 batches, December 25 and June 26 batches already done. So based on that, I given the estimated number of hours. Maybe this estimated number of hours plus or minus 10 also. Yes. Cost audit 110 hours, CFR 150 hours, IDT 120 hours, and SPMBV 110 hours. So what are the books we are going to provide? Concept book, handwritten, workbook for the CMAD. Next, for the CFR, concept book, workbook. For IDT, concept book, workbook. SPMBV, concept book and workbook. These are the details related to group 3 upcoming batch for December 2026 examination. This is a regular batch and you can attend in any one of these modes also, whatever you are feeling as an convenient. Next, what about group 3, sir? Yes, you can observe these are the group 3 subjects and already these classes over. Now we are selling recorded classes on our website. Law, Grover sir, and SFM Srinivas sir, and DT myself, and SCM part Harikrishna sir, and DM part Maninder Singh sir. So these are the exact number of hours we taught entire subject. Yes, law 135 hours and SFM 150 hours, the DT 180 hours, and altogether SCM DM totally 135 hours. So these are the hours are definitely required for clearing group 3. Yes, every concept in all these classes, whenever if there is an important concept as well as the questions, we given the notes also in the classroom itself. Yes, next, these are the books we are going to provide along with the classes. Now, sir, if we purchase the classes, How many months validity, sir? 9 months validity we are going to offer from the date of activation, not from the date of purchase. Suppose if you purchase it today, after 1 month if you are activated the classes, after that date only that validity will count. Next, how many views? 1.5 views. 1.5 views means simply 1 hour video, one time you can watch happily. Then after, if you want to revise, you can place 2x and you can re-watch it again. That means 1 hour video, you can watch it for the 1.5 hour. So next, these are the details for regular batch. Separately, I will record a video related to exam-oriented batch. So now, sir, for whom these batches are suitable? If you are a first-time listener, you should go with the regular batch only. Exam-oriented batches will not suitable for the first-time listeners. Next, sir, now I want to give you that one more thing. So now we are entered into the second year of operations. 1 year already done. Yes, now on that occasion of anniversary, earlier we provided 30% discount before 21st. The many students are enrolled. Now we are making an arrangements for the books dispatching, etc. for them. And we are extended the anniversary offer also. Many students are asking, sir, anniversary offer is 30% right. Yes, 30% right up to 21st. Then after we are extending our offer with the 20% only. Yes. Sir, how to purchase the classes along with the discount, sir? Yes, you can log into our website. After adding the product to cart, you can apply the coupon. Automatically, you will get the discount of 20%. And this is a contact number. You can contact with us through WhatsApp as well as through normal call also if you have any doubts. Sir, up to which date that offer is valid, sir? This month end. That means 30th 6 2026. So, okay, sir. After discount, what are the prices? After discount, these are the subject wise prices, group wise as well as both groups. And one more thing, sir. Before purchasing the classes, please check it out. If you haven't time to watch these many number of hours, then purchase. Otherwise, no need. Simply, okay, sir, I'm purchasing the classes, sir, but I don't want to watch. What is the use in this? Yes. Okay, sir, is there any other alternative is there, sir, without watching the classes? Yes, but you have to do the self-study. But that will consume the more time than these hours. Remember, if you are taking that expert's help, automatically you can get the conceptual clarity and you can revise everything in a less time. Automatically you will get in confidence also. Remember, so in all over India, who are going to provide the classes for the CMA, group wise or both group subject wise also. You can compare these many hours. If any institute is given, no. So we are only going to take nearly, I think this is 500 and 550 hours. This is nearly, yes, the 450 plus hours. So after watching these classes, your revision will be over in the class itself. And just after the completion of the classes, every day if you revise some hours, that means 2 hours, 3 hours for that entire group, yes, you will get the clarity and you can get the confidence. Yes, these are classes related details for the December 2026 regular batch. And please remember what is that last date to claim the classes with the 20% discount, 30th 6 2026. So these are the details from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.